Presenting Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. This awesome lime smartphone is also available in awesome black, awesome violet and awesome silver color variants. The Galaxy A34 has Android 13, with MediaTek D1080 octa-core processor. Backed with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage for fast and efficient performance for the task at hand. Now let us look at its 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display for cinematic viewing. It has 1080 by 2340 pixels, 393 ppi with 16 million colors and shows vibrant visuals. The 48-megapixel OIS plus 8-megapixel plus 5-megapixel triple camera setup and 13-megapixel front camera helps you capture the world on the go. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh long-lasting battery. The box includes the phone and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.